Hey guys, Kevin here from VIPKid, and today we're hanging out in one of our office areas, Gulou. Gulou roughly translates to drum tower. The tower behind me used to be used as a clock for people in this area. You know, at the hour you hear a drum sound. Gulou is supposed to be in the very center of Beijing, which makes it a very auspicious location. Why don't we go closer and check it out? So the drum tower is still just back there, but I thought before we get there, I could talk a little bit about where we are. Now next to the drum tower, there's a really nice courtyard. They have games already built in. I don't know how to play these games myself, but the people just behind me do. Will come here, they'll hang out, they'll see their friends, and they'll play games. So what we're actually looking at right now is the bell tower. So when I said back there, I really meant back here. This is the drum tower. This is what this area is named after, but they always come in a pair. Drum tower and bell tower, drum and bell. I wasn't kidding when I said that there's just a lot of things to do. There is this game called Jinza, which is similar to like what we would call hacky sack, but with feathers instead. There's a guy here that's trained birds. There's this woman here that's doing this nice little cloth twirl that looks like a dragon flying in the sky. There were guys here playing hockey earlier. Just anything you want to do, you could do it right here in the courtyards. That's what this places are for. It's for people to come together and to show off what they like. So it's important to note that Gulou is, yes, a historical area, but it's also a residential one too, which means that this place is filled with dozens and dozens of these small hutongs, where families have been living there for generations, hundreds of years. Like that guy. Between the culture, history, and the people who live in this area, Gulou is just a really, really cool place. So if you have the time and the chance, come visit.